Crikey! Is that the A-Plus garage doors truck? It is. A-Plus garage door technician, right over there. I've heard they work in the blistering heat, the freezing cold, anywhere, anytime. They work great under pressure and have wonderful patience. I'm gonna go poke him with a stick. Now what we wanna be is really quiet. Sometimes they spook easily. Oh, he's angry! Whoa! Oh, he handled that quite well.
After further investigation, Matt turned out to be an exceptional lad. A nice bloke and a great chat. 10 out of 10 would recommend. We hope to see him again out in the wild.